Another traditional ruler have emerged in campaigning for Hope Uzodinma. They say Biafra Liberation Army don't tell and say make him wait, he go so collect woto. They said the one of the legal council of Nnamdi Kanu, which is Aloy Ejimakor, the legal team of Nnamdi Kanu, the main man himself, he don't come outside, come to say things where they affect Nnamdi Kanu is also followed by the prescribe of IPOB. That even the eyes Nigeria, they look all IPOB or anybody from Southeast today, if you are Biafra all over, the eyes whether they look you, be say you are IPOB, and the people will believe in the proscription, they see us as a terrorist. He explain more in this video that I'm going to show you. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Today we are going to do different thing here entirely, but before we proceed, I want you to subscribe to this channel and also make sure that you turn your notification bell so that anytime we upload new videos, you will be the first person we're going to get our update. We are here to update you of anything where they happen all over the world, in Biafra land, in Nigeria, in Africa, anywhere. So we did there, they bring out for you for your doorstep. May they know what they go on. Only to we go do for us now to follow all our social media handles so that you will get our updates back to back. Let's jump into the Ogbonge news where we get for hand today. They say one of the traditional ruler don't come outside. Come they talk say anybody where my man Hope Uzodinma being governor making raising hand up. Say if you say Hope Uzodinma go be your governor, that means say Hope go they follow you. Don't be smarting. Now internet can't catch fire. Biafra Liberation Army, everybody come carry and say this man, he go collect and woto. Say that they quick hustle for him. We will play you the video where the man they doing in Tumbom can't. We'll come back, we'll continue.
Anybody that believes in hope here should raise his hand up. I need to make sure I hope. I need to quality that do 4 years here. I need to know. I need to know only that here. We are not going to go to the bullshit. That's what we do. Come on, every time. The Vargas and the woman, and I will say that I am it. So I have a and I will do that dance. I got to make a campaign. We could try on, most of them are on our slip, no house, everywhere. I live behind my new money. I don't know you. Oh, no way. I'm not going to grab on our business. Oh, when I know, the brain pattern. If you must, I will move. I won't do it. You want them to have a make a you want them. I want to see a garbage like it. That's why I see Cotagarabia. Only one day. What I making here? So because all the meaning of time here. Say, I'm forgot. That's not all governor worship for one person. That was me and of most of you are my mechanic. Okay, the hands and they make like a thing. I'm not trying to do it. Trying to do it. What have you achieved? For how many years? Oh, my son, do it. When the Canabana, when the Kegalan, also do it. No women in the Mabahania or lack of a. I'm not going to be question for them on our coin. No, the Ganga. Oh, no, that's I hope that I will tell you. Anybody that believes in hope here should raise his hand up.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, I see I'm how they doing census. This is a very big census they do for that side. I see they can't. Now so many people don't paraput for the matter. Say with the talk, say we no need these people for our land. On the plan how na go take they put them for seats. Now waiting Biafra people they talk no be smarting. I will make you contribute for this matter. Leave your own thoughts in comment section and while we continue. Let us also bring this particular update. Can give you the waiting Aloy Ejimakor said concerning the proscribe of indigenous people of Biafra as a terrorist organization. So we're going to play the video for you. May you watch and hear everything we talk for this video. Then we'll come back and proceed. Watch the video.
This matter was adjudicated by the Court of Appeal expeditiously. We had this very strong confidence that the appeal has a lot of merit. So let us just go by the proposition that the Court of Appeal determined the appeal quickly enough and removed the terrorist tag on IPOB and de-proscribed it. Nnamdi Kanu wouldn't have been rendition from Kenya because there wouldn't be any basis in law to charge him as a terrorist or as a leader of a terrorist organization if the Court of Appeal had reversed that very egregious ruling of the Federal High Court ex parte that declared IPOB a terrorist organization in early 2018. So as counsel in the matter, and as counsel who knows very well the merits of this case, we have had this thinking that why is the Court of Appeal not hearing this matter? I don't want to preempt the court, but when this sort of thing happens, the man on the street might start thinking that, you see, because the case has merit and the Court of Appeal, somebody somewhere, not the Court of Appeal, somebody somewhere is feeling that there is no other way of determining this case except to say that the order prescribing IPOB was not a good order and reverse it. So it affected Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and it also affected thousands of IPOB members within Nigeria who have either been arrested, detained, tortured, or even extrajudicially killed based on this terrorist tag. The rules of engagement of Nigerian security forces when they encounter terrorists is shoot to kill, not even shoot to man. If you are lucky, you will be arrested and unreasonable force may be levied on you, but they may spare your life. So the reason that we are very dead set and very passionate about bringing this appeal to closure and hopefully winning it is to remove that danger confronting millions of supposed IPOB members, because there's nobody that wears IPOB as a label or has it stamped on his face. So the law enforcement authorities go on suppositions and assumptions. So mostly Igbo youths and some from the south, they just have to have this minimal suspicion that you possess the characteristics of being an IPOB member. There's no resistance. Sorry.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video and hear everything, where our barrister, our Ogbenge barrister will be Aloy Ejimakor. This man, I respect him so much. Waiting talk for this particular video. So I may you leave your own opinion regarding waiting talk. But to get one thing we talk for there, what I want to my side, he said that this thing now give them the impetus. Anywhere where they can't see anybody away from Southeast, they can't tag them, say that person, it must be an IPOB. Our people go say na terrorist. Not true. They say that one IPOB na terrorist. No be smarting. And they say na that thing I can give them upper hand to go rendition Nnamdi Kanu to tag them terrorists. So they don't capture the terrorists where they prescribe. You can't prescribe somebody to all over the world. The day there they protest. Do you know that some documents that come from IPOB's families are authorized in some government all over the world to approve this person? Yes, you are from this part of the world. Nigeria government don't even know anything. Some documents that you presented that come from any IPOB branch or IPOB this thing, you show in all over the world will save you from so many things. I'm telling you the truth. So how can you prescribe them and call them terrorist organization and think that it will end there? No, it can't end there. You know, Nigeria know that IPOB is never a terrorist organization. So maybe they just play and they will explain tire. Okay, my people, no be small thing. I want you to share this video and also make sure say they follow all our social media handles. They follow us for Twitters, which is Arřêṣt, and make sure say they follow us as well for TikTok and on Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Very, very important. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you for the next update. Stay tuned.